Simple phrases in Italian. The week in Italian is la settimana. This week in Italian is questa settimana. Last week in Italian is la settimana scorsa. Next week in Italian is la prossima settimana. The month in Italian is il mese. This month in Italian is questo mese. Last month in Italian is il mese scorso. Next month in Italian is il mese prossimo. The year in Italian is l'anno. This year in Italian is quest'anno. Last year in Italian is l'anno scorso. Next year in Italian is l'anno prossimo. Please like, follow, and share. Thank you.